Yo, what's up everyone? It's AI Evolution and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence. Now, you might be thinking AI? That sounds pretty techie, right? And yeah, you're not wrong. AI is everywhere these days. From the algorithms that curate your social media feeds to the voice assistants that set your morning alarms. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a tech guru to understand the basics of AI. Whether you're an artist, a teacher, or just someone who wants to keep up with the future, understanding AI is becoming increasingly important. That's why in this video, we're breaking down the best AI courses out there, specifically designed for non-technical people. We're talking about courses that ditch the complex jargon and hardcore coding in favor of clear explanations and real-world examples. Because let's be real, learning about AI shouldn't feel like you're trying to decipher a foreign language. It should be accessible, engaging, and dare I say it, even a little bit fun. So if you're ready to demystify AI and unlock its potential, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with our top picks. First up, we've got a course that needs no introduction. It's AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng, hosted on Coursera. Andrew Ng is a legend in the AI world, co-founder of Coursera and founding lead of Google Brain. This course is perfect for those who don't breathe and sleep code. And trust me, this course delivers. AI for Everyone is the ultimate introductory crash course on AI. It breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand pieces. No prior knowledge of math or programming is required. Jump right in and start learning, even if you've never written a line of code. So, what exactly will you learn in AI for Everyone? The course gives you a 360-degree view of the AI landscape. You'll start with the fundamentals and understand AI's impact on our lives. Then delve into key AI concepts like machine learning and neural networks. Andrew Ng explains these concepts in a way that even your grandma could understand. He uses real-world examples and humor to make learning engaging. Learn about AI through real-world applications and scenarios. The course also dives into the ethical and societal implications of AI. Explore topics like bias in AI, job impact, and responsible AI development. This holistic approach provides a well-rounded understanding of AI. By the end, you'll confidently talk about AI and apply it in your life or work. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this sounds great, but is it really suitable for someone with zero technical background? And the answer is a resounding yes. AI for Everyone is specifically designed with non-technical learners in mind. Andrew Ng's teaching style is all about clarity and simplicity. He breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized chunks using everyday language and relatable examples. Think of it like this. He's like the friend who can explain anything, no matter how complicated, in a way that just makes sense. The course also features short, engaging videos, interactive quizzes, and real-world case studies to reinforce your learning. And because it's self-paced, you can learn at your own speed, revisiting concepts as many times as you need. There's no pressure to keep up with a live class or meet strict deadlines. Plus, with Coursera's flexible learning options, you can access the course from anywhere, anytime, fitting it into your busy schedule. So whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your AI knowledge, AI for Everyone is an excellent starting point. It provides a solid foundation in AI principles and applications without overwhelming you with technical jargon or complicated math. Ready to dive into AI programming? Udacity's AI programming with Python is perfect for beginners. You'll learn Python, a beginner-friendly language, and build basic AI models. The course covers Python fundamentals and key AI concepts. It's hands-on and project-based, so you'll be coding and building projects. See your work in action with Udacity's AI programming with Python. So, let's break down the curriculum a bit. The course starts with a gentle introduction to Python. You'll learn the basics of coding, getting comfortable with the syntax and structure of the language. Think of it like learning the alphabet and basic grammar before you start writing full sentences. From there, the course introduces you to libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which are essential tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization in Python. These libraries will be your trusty sidekicks as you start working with real-world datasets and building your first AI models. Once you have a solid foundation in Python and the necessary libraries, you'll dive into the exciting world of machine learning. You'll start with simpler algorithms like linear regression and logistic regression, gradually progressing to more complex concepts like decision trees, support vector machines, and even neural networks. Throughout the course, you'll be working on real-world projects that allow you to apply what you've learned to solve practical problems. This hands-on approach ensures that you're not just memorizing concepts, but actually understanding how to use them in a real-world setting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold on, you said this was for non-technical people. Isn't programming like inherently technical? And you're not wrong, but hear me out. AI programming with Python is designed with beginners in mind. The instructors guide you through each step with clear explanations and practical examples. The course starts with the basics and gradually introduces more complex concepts. Plus, Udacity is known for its high-quality production and engaging teaching style. You'll have access to a supportive online community of fellow learners, mentors, and instructors. All right, so you're interested in AI, but maybe the thought of coding algorithms makes your eyes glaze over. Totally fair. Not everyone needs to be a programmer to be involved in the AI revolution. That's where EDX's artificial intelligence business strategies and applications comes in. This course is all about understanding how businesses can leverage AI for growth, efficiency, and innovation. Think of it this way. You don't need to know how to build a smartphone from scratch to understand its impact on communication, right? It's about understanding the potential, the limitations, and the strategic implications. This course gives you that high-level understanding of AI's role in the business world. We're talking about practical applications here. You'll learn how AI is being used across various industries, from finance to healthcare to marketing. This isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's about understanding how AI is already shaping the business landscape today. And the best part? You don't need any prior technical knowledge to dive in. It's designed for anyone, from students to seasoned professionals, who want to understand how to navigate the rapidly evolving world of AI in a business context. Now, this course isn't just about understanding what AI can do. It's about giving you the tools to make informed decisions about AI implementation in a business setting. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just buy a fleet of self-driving trucks without understanding the logistics, the regulations, and the potential impact on your business model, right? That's where the strategic element comes in. You'll learn about the different AI tools and technologies available, how to identify opportunities for AI integration, and how to develop a roadmap for successful implementation. It's about making smart, informed decisions about how to leverage AI to gain a competitive edge. But it goes beyond just the technical aspects. This course also delves into the ethical considerations surrounding AI in business. We're talking about things like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential impact on jobs. It's about using AI responsibly and ethically to drive positive change. Because let's be real, AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's impacting every aspect of our lives, especially in the business world. This course gives you the knowledge to navigate that change effectively. So, who is this course perfect for? Well, if you're a business professional looking to upskill and stay ahead of the curve, this is definitely worth checking out. It's also great for entrepreneurs who want to understand how to incorporate AI into their business strategies from the ground up. And even if you're not directly involved in business, this course can be incredibly valuable. Understanding how AI is being used in the business world gives you a broader perspective on its impact on society as a whole. Plus, let's be honest, AI is only going to become more prevalent in the future. Having a solid understanding of its capabilities and limitations is going to be crucial, no matter what field you're in. So, if you're curious about the business side of AI, want to make informed decisions about its implementation, or simply want to stay ahead of the game, EDX's Artificial Intelligence Business Strategies and Applications is a great place to start. All right, so you're ready to dip your toes into the world of AI, but maybe coding isn't your thing? No worries, LinkedIn. Learning's Artificial Intelligence Foundations Machine Learning course has got you covered. This one's all about breaking down the fundamentals of machine learning, and trust me, they make it digestible even if you've never written a line of code in your life. Think of it like this. Instead of throwing you in the deep end with complex algorithms, they walk you through the core concepts. You'll learn how machines can learn from data, identify patterns, and even make predictions. It's like getting a behind-the-scenes look at how AI actually works, without needing to be a tech wizard. And the best part? This course is all about practical application. You'll see how these machine learning concepts are being used in real-world scenarios, from personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platforms to self-driving cars navigating busy streets. It's eye-opening to see how much AI impacts our daily lives, even without us realizing it. So, if you're curious about machine learning but intimidated by the technical jargon, this LinkedIn Learning course is a solid starting point. It's like a crash course in AI minus the crash. Now let's talk about machine learning models. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of a model like a recipe. You feed it data, it processes it, and then spits out a prediction. This course breaks down different types of models like supervised and unsupervised learning. One of the coolest things about this course is that it uses real-world examples. You'll see how a supervised model can predict housing prices, or how an unsupervised model can identify buying patterns. This course doesn't just stop at theory, it dives headfirst into practical application. You'll get to see how these machine learning concepts are being used across various industries, from healthcare to finance to marketing. It's like getting a backstage pass to see how AI is transforming businesses and shaping the future. Imagine seeing how machine learning is being used to develop personalized treatments for patients based on their medical history and genetic makeup, or how it's helping financial institutions detect fraudulent transactions in real time. These real-world examples make the concepts you learn much more tangible and relevant. The course also emphasizes the ethical considerations surrounding machine learning. You'll explore topics like bias in algorithms and the importance of responsible AI development. It's not just about building cool technology, it's about building it responsibly and ethically. Overall, LinkedIn Learning's Artificial Intelligence Foundations Machine Learning is a fantastic starting point for anyone curious about AI but intimidated by the technical aspects. It provides a comprehensive yet accessible introduction to the world of machine learning, empowering you with the knowledge to understand and appreciate this transformative technology. All right, so we've talked a lot about the technical side of AI, but what about the bigger picture? What happens when machines start making decisions that impact our lives? That's where Future Learn's artificial intelligence ethics and societal challenges comes in. This course dives deep into the ethical dilemmas and societal implications of this rapidly evolving technology. Now, this isn't about fear-mongering or predicting a robot apocalypse. It's about having a thoughtful conversation about the potential consequences of AI, both positive and negative. We're talking about things like algorithmic bias, job displacement, privacy concerns, and the very nature of intelligence itself. This course encourages you to think critically about the role AI plays in our society. It challenges you to consider different perspectives and grapple with complex questions. For example, how do we ensure AI systems are fair and unbiased? What happens to the workforce as automation becomes more prevalent? If you're looking for a course that goes beyond the technicalities and dives into the heart of the AI debate, this one's for you. One of the core themes of this course is the concept of responsible AI. It's not enough to simply develop powerful algorithms. We need to ensure they're used ethically and don't perpetuate existing inequalities. This section dives deep into issues like algorithmic bias, where AI systems can unintentionally discriminate against certain groups of people. You'll learn about real-world examples of algorithmic bias, like facial recognition systems that are less accurate on people of color, or hiring algorithms that perpetuate gender stereotypes. The course challenges you to think critically about how these biases can be mitigated and what steps we can take to ensure AI systems are fair and equitable for everyone. Another crucial aspect explored in this section is the impact of AI on the workforce. As automation becomes more sophisticated, certain jobs will inevitably be displaced. The course encourages you to consider the potential economic and social consequences of this shift and explore solutions like retraining programs and universal basic income. This section isn't about providing easy answers, it's about fostering a nuanced understanding of the ethical challenges posed by AI and empowering individuals to engage in informed discussions about the future of this technology. The final part of this course shifts from analysis to action. It's not enough to simply identify the ethical challenges of AI. We need to actively work towards shaping a future where this technology is used for good. This section empowers you to become an advocate for responsible AI development and deployment. You'll learn about the various stakeholders involved in shaping the AI landscape, from policymakers and industry leaders to researchers and activists. The course emphasizes the importance of collaboration and dialogue between these different groups to ensure AI benefits humanity as a whole. This section also highlights the importance of individual action. It encourages you to stay informed about the latest developments in AI, engage in critical discussions about its implications, and support organizations working to promote ethical AI practices. It's about recognizing that we all have a role to play in shaping the future of this powerful technology. FutureLearn's artificial intelligence, ethics and societal challenges is a must-take for anyone, technical or non-technical, who wants to understand the broader implications of AI. It's a call to action to engage in thoughtful dialogue, advocate for responsible AI, and ensure this technology is used to create a more just and equitable future for all. So there you have it, our top picks for the best AI courses tailored for non-technical students. Coursera's AI for Everyone gives you a broad overview of AI concepts. Udacity's AI programming with Python lets you dip your toes into the practical side. EDX's artificial intelligence business strategies and applications is perfect for business implications. LinkedIn. Learning's Artificial Intelligence Foundation's Machine Learning demystifies machine learning. FutureLearn's Artificial Intelligence, Ethics and Societal Challenges explores ethical considerations. You don't need to be a tech whiz to understand AI. Choose the course that aligns with your interests and start your AI journey today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.